We will first call the top three finalists for the male category. Okay. We will first award, or we will first call the top three finalists for the male category, and we will announce them in no particular order. Are you ready? Sige. First to take the spot in the top three finalists, make your way forward. Male candidate. Male candidate number 7. Next,
Next to take the spot, male candidate number 2.
next to bag the last spot for our top three finalists, our question and answer portion, one will be left here and the other candidates will be placed in a room na may music para hindi nila marinig ang question. Because only one question will be given to these 6 candidates. To determine sila talaga ang best sa kanila, the best answer. Okay? Okay, let's start with male candidate number 7. The rest of you guys can step backstage and look for Kuya Rafael Sada and the other program team. Saan kayo ilalagay? Okay, I think it's good that we step sa taas.
Just to clarify, may dalawang questions tayo. One question for the male and one question for the female.
Okay. Sige, habang ready natin sila, I think let's have a catch-up muna para ma-ease ang tension, kasi, sige, Kuya, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, sana ka, anong department?
Representing the Department of Bachelor in Special Needs Education. And to all my classmates out there, and to all BSNet, thank you so much for your support. And we're not here if without you guys. Thank you so much.
Congratulations for making it this far. Hindi biro ang naging journey nila, no? Kuya Rafael, give us heads up if the judges can already proceed with the question.
Let's go, Pika.
We would also like to announce, no, that when our candidates is trying to answer the question, we refrain from making unnecessary noises, no? Not for them to not be distracted, okay? Gets Varsity Eagle fans?
That's the dance. Hey. Love you, China.
The questions will be read by the judges, of course. We will request another microphone.
I think we're all set.
Set na. May message ako sa Uwi Alya. Very good. Another mic po, technical. Ay, dito lang pala sa malaman. Thank you, Kuya MJ. Doon po sa ating judges, kasi sila po ang magtanong.
What is mine?
Ready na? Are you ready to answer?
Recitation na,
I
recitation.
am.
Okay. The question will be given by Sir Brothers.
Candidate number 7, this is your question. What is the most important role of education in shaping one's character and values? I repeat again. What is the most important role of education in shaping one's character and values?
Thank you so much for that very wonderful question. And again, a very pleasant afternoon to all. To answer that question first, I would like to say that my mom always told me to answer every question thrown to me with a heart. Of course, for me, first of all, education is the most powerful weapon to conquer, to crush poverty. Yes, it is. Without education, we are not uniform. Without education, we are not here. Of course, without education, we are nothing. That is why, for me, education builds each one's character by simply empathizing rather, each one of us respecting as well, and without education, it might be the end of human race. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Dear candidate number 7, you may now find a comfortable seat na pwede kang makahinga ng bawal. It is all done. Congratulations! Ayan.
Proud of BSNet dyan!
Okay, once again, the question will be read first by our judges.
Yung nag-inspire ka ng Vision. Vision.
Okay, who will come on stage? Of course, male candidate number 2. Ayan, halika. Oh, ayan. Siya yung tinitilian nyo kanina. Okay, ano pipili? Okay, what can you say for your supporters, candidate number 2?
Well, first I would like to thank you to everyone that is here, that is spending their time to watch this beautiful, well-organized show.
Sumigaw yung I love you, Patuno.
Sige. Okay. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling very nervous.
Nervous, but you have to face the big elephant in this room, which is the question. Okay, the question will be given by Mami Nosa.
What is the most important role of education in shaping one's values and character? And repeat, what is the most important role of education in shaping one's values and character?
Well, the number one thing a person can have is education. But not only education, because I believe educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all.
Tama, Jeff!
Because
Panalo!
people can have intelligence but no heart and character. Without compassion, we cannot get far in life. Because only through the relationships with other people, we can succeed and accomplish our goals. So let us be kind and prioritize character over intelligence. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dave. Maybe now find a comfortable seat where you can breathe and let it all out. Okay? Our escorts, kindly escort our top 3 finalists for the male category. Ayan, dito na siya. At dito na si Lapu-Lapu.
Si Lapu-Lapu.
Okay. We understand your excitement, no? But when they are answering, please, no, do not interrupt by making unnecessary questions. Okay, how are you? Male candidate number 3.
All good.
From what department do you belong?
Bachelor of Elementary Education. Wow, from BES.
You are allowed here. What can you say to your supporters cheering out there for you?
Thank you sa nag-support sa akin lahat sa mga tao dyan. Thank you sa nanay ko sa akin.
Here? Are your parents here?
No po.
Pero nag-support na sila sa bahay. They gave you a blessing before you were going here. Of course. Sige.
Moral support.
Moral support. And they wish you well. Sige. Without further ado, our question will be coming from Mama Dana. Sige.
Number 3. Listen very well. Here is the question. What is the most important role of education in shaping one's character and values? I will repeat. What is the most important role of education in shaping one's character and values?
Thank you for that wonderful question, ma'am. So, for me, the most important role of a teacher is to guide the students or let the students
teach them how to love one thing or how to love their future plans or how to love one subject, how to love one of their future works. So our important role is to teach them or guide them or be as their stepping stone on how they will progress or how they will go on to their each step of life. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, and candidate number 3. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our male candidates who answered the questions. You may now find a comfortable seat where you can let it all out, breathe in and breathe out because it is all done. Okay? Our escorts kindly call our top 3 finalists. The one-
Female category.
Another set of questions will be asked for the female category. Grabe, excited na mga sino ang mananalo? Excited na? Sure? Nakawin at mga excited. Pero later on, we will announce it. And who will win this Mr. and Miss City 2024 will directly be our representatives for the Mr. and Miss Wingsuit 2024. This will serve also as a screening for them who deserves the crown.